a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair. The child clung to her soft body. What did God make father for? She sobbed. Here is a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose, go to sleep. Bet you will forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to the father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. Now, after some time, her grandmother went to her and she put shawl to her, wrapped her into a shawl and she tried to console her. उसे बच्चे को जस्ट सराहने की कोशिश कर रही थी, उसे प्यार देने की कोशिश कर रही थी. एंड Kezia was so upset to her father that she is saying that why God make fathers, भगवान पिता मतलब fathers को क्यों बनाते हैं, पापा को क्यों बनाते हैं. She was so upset of her father. Here is a clean hanky, darling. And grandmother was just उसे समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसे मना रही है. Now and she is saying that please don't cry, मत upset हो, you will forget all the thing next morning. तुम दूसरे दिन सब भूल जाओगी, पापा भी भूल जाएंगे. But the child never forgot. That is a fact. And but child never forgot. बच्चा कभी नहीं भूलता और आजकल के बच्चे तो बिल्कुल नहीं भूलते. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and red color flew into her cheeks. Whenever जब भी वो अपने पिताजी को देखती थी तो she put her she quickly put her hands behind and her cheeks become very pink. वो डर के मारे उसके पूरे गाल लाल हो जाते थे और जो उसके हैंड्स वो छिपा लेती थी पीछे डर के मारे. As she remind that उसके पिताजी ने उसे हाथ पर मारा था. Now moving forward, नहीं थोड़ा सा बचा है. The McDonalds lived next door. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag to the evening. The father with baby's mom on his shoulders, 2 little girls hanging on to his coat pockets, ran down and down the flower beds, shaking with laughter. Once he saw the boys turn the house on him and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. Then she decided there were different sorts of father. Suddenly one day mother became ill. Okay. In her neighbor McDonald family lived. जो एक पड़ोसी Kezia keep seeing her neighbors, where in that family there is a father and they had 5 children. He had 5 children. She was watching that, seeing that her father, that neighbor's father was playing with her children, with their children. That father keep playing with their children, sometimes some game, sometimes laughing, and that children was hanging over their father. This type of situations she is seeing, keep watching. वो देख रही थी कि कैसे जो नेबर के एक फैमिली है उसमें पिताजी के साथ 5 बच्चे हैं, वो खेल रहे हैं, कभी कूद रहे हैं, कभी पिताजी के पॉकेट में झूल रहे हैं, कभी हैंग कर रहे हैं कोट के पॉकेट्स में, कभी पिताजी के शोल्डर पे चल रहे हैं. मतलब दिस थिंग वॉज वेरी स्ट्रेंज टू हर. बिकॉज शी नेवर प्लेड विथ हर फादर। ये सारी चीज़ें उसके लिए बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज था, बहुत ही अलग था, क्योंकि वो अपने पिताजी के साथ कभी इतना क्लोज हुई नहीं, कभी इतना फैमिलियर हुई नहीं, कभी वो अपने पिताजी के साथ इतना घुली मिली नहीं। तो वो चीज़ उसे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था देखने में, और वो अपने फेंस के गैप से वो उसे देखते रहती थी कि हाउ दैट फादर वॉज प्लेइंग विथ हर फादर चिल्ड्रेन। एंड दैट टाइम शी डिसाइडेड that God made different sorts of father। अलग अलग तरीके के फादर्स बनाते हैं भगवान, जिसमें वो पिताजी अच्छे हैं जो अपने बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हैं, एंड माई फादर, दैट मीन्स केजरा's फादर, इज नॉट गुड पर्सन। वो ऐसा सोच रही है, हर थिंकिंग वॉज दैट माई फादर इज नॉट अ गुड पर्सन, he was very strict। that's why she thinking that my father is very rude, very means not a good person for her। Once what happened, her mother became ill, and moving forward suddenly one day mother became ill। she and grandmother went to hospital। her grandmother and mother went to the hospital। the little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook, and she remained alone at home। वो अपने घर पे अकेली थी with a cook named Alice। that was all right in the daytime, but while Alice was putting her to the bed, she grew suddenly afraid। that time in the daytime there is no problem, but at the night what happened, she became very afraid, she feel very afraid, she grew very afraid। उसे रात में बहुत डर लगता था। तो what will do if I have a nightmare? There is a question in her mind that what happen when I have a nightmare। जब मुझे सपना आएगा, बुरा सपना, डरावना सपना आएगा, तो then what I will do? She asked, I often have nightmares and then Granny takes me into her bed। I can't stay in the dark, it all gets whispery। you just go to the sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks, and don't you scream and wake your poor pa। now she was just whispering that what happened when I will meet with an what nightmares। क्या होगा जब मुझे बुरा सपना आएगा। देन जब ग्रैनी रहती थी तो ग्रैंडमदर टुक मी टू हर बेड, अपने बेड पे मुझे ले जाती थी। whenever I have नाइटमेयर्स, जब भी उसे नाइटमेयर्स होते थे तो ग्रैनी उसे अपने बेड पर ले जाती थी। बट नाउ ग्रैनी एंड हर मदर बोथ were not at home। she was alone with Alice, and she questioned her that what will happen। then Alice was just saying her that please go to the bed, जाओ अपने सो जाओ, and please don't scream, चिल्लाना मत, so that your father get disturbed। अपने पिताजी को डिस्टर्ब मत करना, तुम चिल्लाओगे तो योर फादर गेट डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे। बट द सेम ओल्ड नाइटमेयर केम, द बुचर विथ नाइफ एंड अ रोप, who nearer and nearer, smiling dreadful smile, while she could not move, could only stand still, carrying out, grandma, she walked shivering to see her father beside her bed, a candle in his hand। what is the matter, he said। now what happened, the same nightmare came to her। in the nightmare what she saw, that a butcher with knife coming nearer to her। उसे ऐसा सपना आता था, a butcher came nearer to her and with rope। then he screamed, at that time Kezia screamed she screamed with afraid, वो डर से चिल्लाने लगी। एंड दैट टाइम फादर केम टू हर, पिताजी आते हैं एंड ही आस्क्ड व्हाट हैपेंड टू हर। ओह, a butcher, a knife, and I want granny. He blew out the candle, bent down and caught up the child in the arm, carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. A half-smoked cigar was near his reading lamp. He put away the paper, threw the cigar into the fireplace, and then carefully tucked up the child. He lay down beside her, half asleep still with the butcher's smile all about her, it seemed. She crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still, her Now what happened? Father came to her. पिताजी आते हैं, asked, what happened dear? Why you are screaming? Then she is replying that, oh, that butcher and knife. She was trying to explain about her nightmare. वह अपने nightmare के बारे में explain करने की कोशिश करती है. Her father understand that she is afraid of her nightmare. वह अपने nightmare से डर गई है. Now he blown out the candle and she father carefully tucked up, और वह उसी के साथ बेड पर, ताकि उसे डर ना लगे, वह उसी के साथ उसके बेड पर अपने साथ उसे सुलाए और बहुत ही स्नेहपूर्वक प्यार से उसे अपने बेड पे सुला करके उसे टक्ड अप किए बहुत अच्छे से. स्नगल्ड हर हेड. स्नगल हर हेड मीन्स मूव टू अ वार्म और कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन, और बहुत ही प्यार से उसको सुलाए. हियर रब योर फीट अगेंस्ट माई लेग्स एंड गेट देम वार्म. प्यार से, बहुत ही प्यार से बोलते हैं कि प्लीज़ कीप वार्मिंग योर फीट्स, अपने पैरों को गर्म करो, सो दैट शी कैन गेट एस्लीप, वो सो सकें. टायर्ड आउट she slept before the girl. A funny feeling came over her. Poor father, not so big after all, and with no one to look after him. He was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness, and every day he had to work and was too tired to be Mr. MacDonald. She had turned up all the beautiful writing. She had tore up all his beautiful writing. She stirred suddenly and sighed. What is the matter? Asked her father. Another dream? Oh, said the little girl, my head's on your heart. I can hear it going. What a big heart you have got, father dear. Now, this is the situation. Her thinking changed. Why? She came close to her father. She can feel her, जो वह महसूस कर पाई उनका जो प्यार है. She can feel her love. She can feel his love, her father's love. वहाँ पर उसे अपने पिता का जो प्यार है वो समझ में आया. And this is the position जहाँ पर वो सोचे कि नहीं, मेरे पिताजी भी he is harder than grandmother, but that hardness is good. वो strict हैं, वो hard हैं, वो गुस्सा करते हैं, but that hardness is good. And she understand the situation, and all this thing, her mind just turned out, just change हुआ, और वो smile की. That smile was maturity. वो समझ गई थी. अब उसे अपने पिताजी से डर नहीं लग रहा था. वो अपने आप अपने पिताजी से कनेक्ट कर ली थी. वो अपने आप को उसे पता चल गया था कि पिता का प्यार क्या होता है. She can feel her father's love, and when she smiled, her father asked, "What happened? And have you had another nightmare?" Then he replied, "No. So my head was on your heart." जो मेरा हेड है वो आपके हर्ट के पास है. And I can feel that your heart is so big. That little Kezia, that scared Kezia was replying that your heart is so big. And I can hear it going. और मुझे इसकी आवाज़ बहुत ही अच्छे से आ रही है. That means that heart is full of love. You are full of love. She is trying to say that my father is, or the heart of my father is full of love. Thank you very much.